Good evening to all. My name is Juby Varghese. I am one of the OET aspirants from our Edu Skills family. Thank you, Father, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to discuss listening part B, question number 28. I will going to read the question and options, and we will read the script also. The gist of the test is you hear part of an antenatal consultation at a GP practice. What does the patient want to know about? Option A, the advisability of a home birth. Option B, ways of avoiding postnatal depression. Option C, what painkillers might be available during labor.
Mrs. Summer, how can I help today?
Well, I just wanted to check something.
Okay. So you're having a home birth?
Yeah, though everyone's on at me about going into hospital. I had my last child there, but I'm determined to be at home this time, to feel more relaxed as well as safe. But I wondered about an at-home epidural if I wanted it. Going without wouldn't put me off, though.
An epidural's out, I'm afraid, because we can't do it without an anaesthetist. Just pethidine or gas and air. But they're very effective painkillers.
Yeah, pethadine's good.
And you had a bad patch after giving birth last time.
Yeah, I got really depressed. I couldn't understand it. It was short-lived, though, and I'm better prepared now. It can't be prevented, but I have read up about coping strategies.
You hear part of antenatal consultation at a GP practice. This sentence is giving the gist of the script or gist of the what is going to be listened. From this we can understand that there's a two person are going to talk and they are going to talk about the antenatal consultation, and we can get the idea what they are going to talk. This is called the gist of the test, and we'll read the script. GP and as you know, antenatal mother is there and the consultation is who is the GP is there. GP is speaking. Mrs. Summer, how can I help you today? Mrs. Summer, well, I just wanted to check something. GP, okay, so you are having a home birth. Mrs. Summer, yeah. Through everyone's on at me about going into hospital. I had my last child there, but I'm determined to be at home this time to feel more relaxed as well as safe. But wondered about an at-home epidural if I wanted it. Going without wouldn't put me off through. GP, an epidural out, I'm afraid. Cause we can't do it without any anesthetist. Just pethidine or gas and air. But they are very effective painkillers. Mrs. Summer, yeah, pethidine is good. GP, and you had a bad patch after giving birth last time? Mrs. Summer, yeah, I got really depressed. I couldn't understand it. It was short-lived through and I'm better prepared now. I can't be proven, but I have read up about coping strategy. This is the test they discuss about. And we'll see the option. The option A is saying that the advisability of home birth in the test, and we already read with that. No advisability of home birth. This is not mentioned in the test. They are asking you have a home birth in this time, because she's saying that she wants to be more relaxed and safe birth. That's why she's not advising about the home birth. The option B, so that we can eliminate the option A. The next one, the option B, way of avoiding postnatal depression. In the test, not discussing about the ways of avoiding postnatal depression, but they, and after at the last sentence she's saying that she's coping with the strategies, means she's trying to overcome the depression also, so that also we can eliminate, and there is not mention about the ways of avoiding depression. And the third option, what painkillers might be available during labor. Correctly saying that in the sentence, wants to be epidural at home, and she's asking about that painkiller while during the labor at home, but the GP is saying that miss, the epidural is out of, I'm afraid because I can't do without an anesthetologist. So we can take the answers, the correct answer is C. and she's also asking the pattern is good, and they're mentioned about the pattern as well as gas and air. So we can take that answer as C, because she had the doubt, she's asking that. And the summer, the untitled mother is asking in this second conversation, in the second sentence there is a contrast, but one wandered about at an home epidural if I wanted. So we can take that as an answer. Thank you. I hope that you are clear with the answer. If you have any doubts, please ask at the end of the discussion. Thank you all. God bless you all.